Hi, Kaden and Ezra. So today we're going to be doing 4 more pages. So we're going to start with 5F. You should have completed 5E yesterday, which looks like this. If you didn't, then we're going to go ahead and need to do that today, but it should have been done yesterday. So we're going to move on to 5F. So 5F looks like this. Again, this is things we are super familiar with. Same thing that we've been doing. So our first page, we're going to be matching and adding again, just like we've done before. So on our first 2, we are going to match the ones that go together. Then we're going to find the answers to the addition problems. Remember, as always, you can draw a picture, you can use your fingers, you can use crayons, whatever you need to figure out these addition answers and how to model them. So for example, on number 6, we have 6 plus 1. Now I might model that as 6 plus 1, which gives me 7. So that's one way that we could model it, but you can draw a picture, you can use whatever you have around you. We're going to turn on over to our next page of 5F, which looks like this. Again, we have more addition problems up here. And right here, again, we're using our base 10 blocks. So you can go back to that website I showed you on Wednesday, and you can use your base 10 blocks online, or you can always grab the ones out of the classroom. So we're going to try to figure out what number is being modeled here, and then down here, we're going to try to draw a picture to represent these numbers using our base 10 blocks. Now these 2 are the ones that we really might need to use, either the online ones or the ones from our classroom. Remember, this last one we will do together because we're not quite where we can read our word problems yet. We're going to move on. We're also going to do 5G today, which looks like this. It has 2 big boxes. Remember, I always mark your pages, so you should be able to easily find it. Now 5G looks a little bit different. Lots of word problems, so you may need to come back to this video because I'm going to read them and we're going to try to do those by ourselves and go over them when we come back together. So our first word problem right here that goes in this box says, Anna had 5 bananas. Mom gave her 1 more banana. Draw a picture that shows how many bananas Anna has now. So Anna has 5 bananas. Mom gave her 1 more. We're going to draw a picture that shows how many bananas Anna has now. We're going to write our answer right here where our addition problem is. Let's move on to number 2. Sally has 3 cookies in her left hand and 1 cookie in her right hand. Draw a picture that shows how many cookies she has in all. So on this second problem right here, our second box, we're going to draw a picture to represent that Sally has 3 cookies in her left hand and 1 cookie in her right hand. How many does she have in all? Let's move on to our back page. Now, if you didn't quite catch all of those word problems, be sure to pause this video and work on them before you move on. You can also rewind it if you need a reminder of what it says. So on our last page, we're going to find the block that shows 1 more and write its name in the blank. You may color the blocks if you wish. So remember, these are addition problems. So we have 2 plus 1. What color is the block that is 2 plus 1? You're going to color next to it to represent that block. So this one is 2 plus 1 equals 3. So we would find the 3 block and color next to our answer. We're going to go through and do all of these like that. And that's all of the math that you have for today. Remember, if you have any questions, you can watch this video, You can watch the other video that's posted on the TV, or you can ask me or your mom.